that easy.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're here with Jeremy. We have a MudBuster install on a, what is this? This is a 2021 Can-Am Maverick DS. We got a turbo edition. Woo, the turbo edition, eh? Oh, there's got another turbo in here. So we'll let Jeremy open up the box here and see what we got from MudBuster's here. Needs a little bit of help with the mud shielding. This is going to do wonders on the machine, I think.
Too much turbo power.
Yeah, that turbo power will spin up the tires and throw the mud, but we got some MudBusters, and let's lay it all out. What about the tank seal? So we're going to lay this all out. I think we're going to have to watch the instructions. MudBuster does well. They send you a QR code, they send you an email, they send you a YouTube video for the instructions. It's got a bunch of parts, hardware box, right with the QR code right in the front of the box. I think there's a QR code there that'll show you right for the installation. So they're really good.
Reach out to MudBusters for all your mud protection.
Derek loves his MudBusters. And then
well.
we'll get sorted out, and then we'll be back to you in 2 seconds.
If I have a makeup container?
If you did, we could put the tank seal.
So what do they got? What do they got in the box here? Whoa! Look at that! They got us some MudBuster toques.
No.
Oh, yeah! It looks like you get a MudBuster toque. We all get MudBuster toque, and you get some MudBuster stickers and a box of hardware here. So, nice. Thanks, MudBuster.
We're putting you to work, just so you know.
Okay, we got a few of these ones in here. This is the factory bolt. We took it out, and you use the nut, but you use the factory bolt, I think it said. The rest are all factory hardware that we did to put these ones on. And the back is pretty good. Since we don't have any of the extended flares on this one, you just take this bolt out, put the new bolt on, and it holds it in place. And then all of these other bolts here come with the package with the nuts at the back. Or maybe it's the nuts and the bolts. I always get confused. But there's a few drill holes you have to do. I don't remember the size that we used, but it's nice and tight. No push pins and all bolts, so this thing ain't going anywhere. Okay, what do we got going on here?
I don't know, I think with regards to the install, you can see the two different bolts. This is the stock bolt. This is the bolt that they provide when you add your extra fender in, to add the extra space to make sure it catches on the inside. The rest you can use what's remaining with regards to the stock. What I would highly recommend is if you have rock sliders that go all the way around, measure 3.5 inches from
The other bar.
and then cut from there. Other than that, you'll be drilling through your...
And he says this because if you notice on this side, he's done a perfect job in trimming this bar, because it does come around and intrude to the mud flap. So you cut 3 inches off of that.
3.5.
3.5, and then it fits nice and tight and perfect.
No,
Right? Is Derek approved?
Thumbs up.
Kirk? He's a Yamaha guy. He's up. Making those red tools work. The yellow ones just pull it right out.
Big power is not always the answer.
I'm ready to play.
Oh, you'll see, it's that.
You're going to have about 6 pounds of mud left on your floor after this.
That's all right.
That's
Look at the driveway. That's from Eric's machine.
That's a deal, only 6 pounds considering.
I only get concerned if I gotta get a shovel and clean up.
He uses it to overseed his lawn. There's enough there.
So, could
Guys
you
pay a lot
hand
of
me...
money to put sand on their grass every year.
This one you need.
Thank you, sir.
So this tab goes here.
I'm going to tuck it under the blue one as well.
Okay, here we go. The MudBusters. This is the regular flare. Like, there are bigger ones, but they're all bolted on here nice. They look nice. They should cover the machine well. maybe about a half hour, 45 minutes, maybe an hour install. Had to drill a few holes here, but they're all marked in. And that's it. So link in the description. MudBuster's was nice enough to give us a discount code. You'll find that right around here. And I'll put it in the link in the description for you guys. So if you want to get yourself a set, they service all the different machines, makes, models. Go on their website. They have all kinds. And if you need anything, get from them. Derek, you have anything to say?
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you're looking for mud protection, get some MudBusters.